Well, here we are. Here we are in Karumba.
And it's hot.
It's hot. Yeah, we've just done the Burke Development Road, and yeah, got dust everywhere in the caravan.
Yeah.
And yeah, let's go see if we can catch some bloody fish here.
Barra.
Catch a barra, maybe. Oh, we're just pulling into Karumba Point, and hopefully we can't. Just got phone reception, so yeah, I haven't been able to ring up. Looks like there's spots there anyway. Everyone has shitloads in there. Anyway, we were here 5 years ago and we stayed up at the one a bit further up, so we'll go check that one out first. But yeah, I reckon we should be right in there. Everyone's been telling us, oh, you won't get in, you won't get in. But honestly, there is, okay, there's so many sites in there, it's crazy. Yeah.
Should be all good.
I reckon, what is it now? September.
You mean September?
Yeah, it's September. It's like the 2nd of September.
August. Oh, October, September.
September, October.
Tomato, I think.
Oh, God. Anyway, yay, we're at the beach. There's heaps of spots. I've been trying to call here, but haven't been able to get into anyone for the last 10 minutes. So I thought we'd just rock up and go in and ask. There's heaps of spots in there, so she reckons that if we'd come a week ago, you would be on a waiting list, and yeah, probably wouldn't get a spot, but everyone seems to be leaving, so good for us, I guess. Hopefully they've left a few fish. As you can see over there, there's shitloads of spots available. So these spots here along the beach, we paid $57 a night, so it's a little bit exy, but honestly, it's beautiful. You get a good view, and I honestly to God think we jagged the best site in the caravan park. Shaun does a good job backing this down because you can't bloody see it. Happy days, we're back on the tinny.
Yeah, been a while.
I know, it's been like, what, 6 weeks we've been up the hills? Anyway, put the boat in here at Karumba, and then, yeah, let's see if we catch a fish. We've seen a charter coming yesterday. Holy crap, man, they were like, they had some big fish, catching heaps of those threadies, so we have to find out where they're getting them.
So we're about 8 k's out in Karumba on the salmon patch.
Perfect day.
It's a perfect day in a little glass.
Yeah, so good for the tinny.
Chucked me live out for about 2 minutes and she got smashed. He might have been a shark. There's only really one boat out at the moment. Yeah.
Oh.
We're going to get some fish.
Hopefully. What a cracker of a day.
We'll start bending rod. Got some decent sized mullet this morning. Popeye. Kylie's got a squid on.
I'm going to do up another rig. 2 hooks on, I reckon.
You want to do a double rig?
Yeah. So let's go round like this through, and then back up through. Like that. It's not pretty, but
Should work.
it should work. Now I'm just going to do a couple for my hooks. Decent size anyway. Give us a look at him, babe.
Catfish.
Oh, again. Oh, it's peeling the line, this one. Hopefully it's a bloody keeper. Oh, what do you reckon, honey?
Even bigger catfish.
Oh, Jesus. Look at the lips on him.
You can get a world record catfishes. Yeah, I'll bet.
Shaun's slaying the catfish today. Righto.
Well, I'm going to try and go for the metre catfish this one. Yeah.
They've been pretty big. Unreal. He's got another bite. Oh my god, he's on again. Are you joking? Shaun's just the catfish king today.
He's got it on. Get away from me. Just be right there.
It's a bit different to the catfish, so maybe it's a shark.
It's a fucking catfish.
Another catfish.
Go around.
Well, how can I help it, babe? I'm keeping my rod.
Might have the metre catfish.
Oh my god! Now I've got a freaking shark! Like a monster!
It's gonna wheel, it's gonna line. You can't have got that much bloody. That was a monster shark.
Oh my god, it's going out.
This is swim back towards you.
Oh, why isn't the line just breaking?
Charlie, shark fisherman. I think she's caught jaws. Nice and easy, babe, because this thing's huge. She's got her drag wound up that time. I reckon she's like a 10-footer.
Oh, do we really want it near the boat?
No, I'm going to bring this in.
Oh, she's gone. Thank frick for that. Piss off.
Tell you what, these better not be good eating.
Another bloody catfish. Get him in before that friggin' shark grabs onto it. You. Finally, we got a bloody salmon. Yay. He's a nice size too. Well done, honey. Another one. Yeah. Woo! Shaunie's on fire today. Is he a keeper?
I reckon she will be.
What is it? A grunter? It's called a grunter because it grunts.
Grunter.
Come back in to get some more liveys. Had a bloody beaut morning, haven't we, babe?
Well, we've caught 10 catfish.
And we've got a nice big grunter and bloody, what do you call it, salmon. Anyway, it's such a nice day, so we're going to keep fishing today. What do you say? Make hay while the sun shines. Morning.
Morning. We're up before the sun today.
Yeah, look at that. Sun's coming up. We got
some mullet.
We got some fish yesterday, so we're super keen. Look at this. What are you doing, honey? Huh?
Got the face. We didn't go all the way out there.
Oh, lucky. Straight on with his livey. Literally. Holy babe. Oh, what a stonker. Hell yeah. Jesus, that's what you're talking about. Woo. Nice work.
In this way.
Oh.
Nice work, honey.
Yeah, that's a stonker. I think that's bigger than yours, eh? Bloody tinny hecticness. Tell ya. Well, I never thought we'd say this in the tinny, but I think we have enough fish for the day. He's a freaking stonker. What do we got there, babe? Need a bigger esky.
And then the big one.
I think I beat you, didn't I?
You did.
Holy. Everyone's cleaned up today.
At least you got something worth drawing.
That's alright. Any fish is a good fish, I reckon. Holy, how's this for a bloody haul of fillets? You know it's a good day fishing when you're back by bloody, what were we back by? Like 10:30. We're throwing them back in the end. So these are all king salmon. How good's this? Holy, Crybacker's going to be busy. Look at that, seriously. Good day on the water. Crybacker's out. Just a cheapy one from I think Kmart, but yeah, it's not that great because you can only do like 2 or 3 and then it bloody cuts out for God knows how long, so it does a good job, but yeah, when you've got a lot to do, it's probably not really the best. So good. I think I'll have to go see if some of the neighbours would like some of this.
5 years ago we come here and honestly, we were looking through photos the other day and I do not remember coming to this pub because I used to drink heavy beer.
Oh God.
And I'm just using that as an excuse, but
Yeah, and I even remember what we like ordered for dinner.
Yeah.
And he has absolutely...
I didn't even know there was a pub here.
Oh my God, Shaun. Anyway, that's where we're staying, back over there. And the pub is literally, I don't know,
Stop sign.
400 metres?
Yeah.
Not even?
No, yeah, 400 metres.
Beach is just there. Yeah, anyway, sunsets here are amazing, so yeah.
I can guarantee you she's gonna have the palmy and I'm gonna have the seafood basket.
Yeah, it's pretty much a given for us when we go out for dinner, which is not actually very often, is it, Shaun?
Well, it's a date night, honey.
It is a date night. I'm excited. No cooking, no dishes.
Yeah, I don't have to do any dishes.
And Shaun's been whinging about not having dessert because we're getting fat, and
I'm not getting fat.
well, I am.
I just want some cheesecake or some sticky date pudding.
Anyway, he's going to get dessert tonight and happy days.
Yeah.
Having a day off fishing today.
We'll revitalise ourselves because we're a bit burned.
Yeah.
A bit tired this morning.
We've had a big few days out wide catching king salmon. Had a ripper day yesterday.
Is it king salmon or blue salmon?
Well, I don't know. Salmon. They're fish. And yeah.
Go for a drive along the beach here because
Been given a bit of a tip. We want to try to catch some barra on the flats, but yeah, the tides have been a bit crappy. So we just want to make sure that we can get to where we want to go without getting stuck.
oh, so we come up to the mangroves up here, see if we can have any sort of, so we can get the boat in here in the morning. We're looking for any signs of any barra, and I think we found it.
Look at them all down there. They're like...
This must be the... Well, I think this is the spot.
Maybe.
Maybe. Unless they just catch them off the rocks here. There's some big barra.
Morning. So we've come out for our last fish here at Karumba.
We did nothing yesterday.
Right.
But only Barramundi on this point.
Yeah. So we wanted to go out to these flats, but we couldn't get out there. It's a place we went for a walk the other day and had a look, but yeah, you need a really big tide to fish them in the mangroves, and we sure as hell don't want to get friggin' stuck for 12 hours on a bloody low tide. That would suck. Running low on food. We're down to Cruscets with peanut butter. Have been having yummy sandwiches up until now.
Yeah. Stale bread.
Yeah, stale bread. Oh well, go shopping tomorrow.
Oh my god.
Hold the camera like.
Bring it in, honey. We've been going everywhere, and then we come back to the boat ramp to catch fish. What do you reckon it is? I reckon you've probably got a shark.
Alright. Yeah, it's looking like a shark.
Yeah, get him. I'll tell you what, if it's a bloody barrel. Holy shit, I think you got a.
Is that a barra? Wow. That was a biggie.
That was a beauty.
Oh well. Well, it's pack up day today, so we've just come back from fishing. Oh my god, you'll see on the footage I just dropped a freaking big barramundi. Oh my god, shattered on a bit of bait, would you believe? Bloody hell, bloody hell. Anyway, so Shaun's just gonna empty all the stuff out of the tinny and head up to the 3-minute boat wash and give her a 3-minute wash.
3 minutes.
Oh, I'm gonna head on inside and start to clean up. The fridge is looking very bare. Went about 2 weeks ago, so did pretty well really. I did a fair bit of cooking before I left, so got bolognese and curry and all sorts up there, so we're not going to starve. But yeah, poor old fridge, holy, she needs filling up. So Shaun's, what are you doing, honey?
I'm a shave. That's all there. She's getting the grey.
Yeah.
They probably won't let me shave in the caravan because shit just goes everywhere.
Yeah, no, I've just cleaned it.
Nice staying Karumba, honey.
I know. It's been good, hey?
Yeah, it is. He's getting the eyes. Kylie's going to give me a haircut tomorrow.
Oh my god. I'm going to cut his mullet off.
You cut my mullet off, I'll cut you and I'll burn your thermix.
Okay, also maybe I won't do that. Anyway, it was only 33 degrees today, not like yesterday. It was 30-bloody-7. So hot. Oh my god. Anyway, this is the little campsite here at Karumba. Oh, that's a wrap from Karumba. We didn't catch the exclusive friggin' barramundi, but gave it a red hot crack. Got salmon, and now we're off to Leichardt Falls. Yoo!